In this quick guide, we're diving into how to track conversions using Proof Analytics, a powerful tool for anyone looking to optimize their digital marketing and improve conversion rates. If you've been struggling with how to measure conversions effectively or want to understand what's really working in your campaigns, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through all the essentials, so by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use Proof Analytics to track conversions and boost your performance. First, let's talk about what Proof Analytics does. This software helps you track user behavior and conversion patterns across your site, giving you real-time insights into what's driving results. Essentially, it lets you see what's working, where people are dropping off, and where you need to tweak your strategies for better results. You can start by integrating Proof Analytics with your existing platforms like Google Analytics or other CRM tools. This integration is seamless and doesn't require any complicated setup. The software pulls data directly from your site, allowing you to focus on the insights rather than dealing with technical aspects. With the data synced, you're ready to start tracking conversions. What makes Proof Analytics stand out is its focus on showing you the true impact of your campaigns. Instead of just tracking clicks, it gives you actionable insights into your visitor behavior, like where they drop off in the funnel and how different elements on your page impact conversion rates. By using Proof Analytics, you can pinpoint exactly what parts of your website need improvement to drive more sales or leads. The next feature that makes Proof Analytics so powerful is its A/B testing tool. You can run A/B tests on different landing pages, headlines, call to action buttons, and other elements to see what performs best. The beauty of A/B testing is that it allows you to make data-driven decisions instead of guessing. You can easily track which version of a page converts better, and then you can optimize your entire site based on these results. No more blindly guessing what might work. Tracking conversions with Proof Analytics doesn't just stop at individual pages. It also helps you analyze the entire customer journey. You can track a user from the first click on your ad all the way to the final conversion. This means you'll know exactly what channels are driving the most value and can allocate your resources more effectively. Another great feature of Proof Analytics is its heat maps and user session recordings. These tools let you visually see how users are interacting with your site, where they're clicking and what they're ignoring. If you see a significant number of users are dropping off right before the checkout page, for example, you'll know where to focus your optimization efforts. If you're looking for an easy way to start tracking conversions, I've got a special offer for you. You can use Proof Analytics for free by clicking the first link below. This exclusive bonus gives you extended access to the software, letting you explore all the features I just mentioned without any pressure to commit right away. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how Proof Analytics can help you track conversions more effectively and make better decisions for your business. From seamless integrations and A/B testing to heat maps and user recordings, this software has everything you need to optimize your site and boost your conversion rates. Don't forget, the link in the description gives you exclusive access to a free trial so you can start using Proof Analytics right away. If you're looking to take your digital marketing to the next level, don't miss this opportunity to try out Proof Analytics and see the impact it can have on your conversions.